Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI Neo 2 and the DJI Flip. Both of these compact drones promise stunning 4K footage, smart flight features, and beginner-friendly controls, but they take very different approaches. The Neo 2 is built like a flying tank, with a rounded, sturdy design, built-in propeller guards, and safety systems that help it practically dodge obstacles for you. On the other hand, the Flip is a foldable creative powerhouse that fits right into your pocket and delivers cinematic results with its pro-level camera system. But which one is the better fit for your needs? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design and portability, because this is where the personalities of the Neo 2 and Flip really shine through. The DJI Neo 2 embraces a friendly, safety-first design with its smooth, rounded body and fully built-in propeller guards. It feels solid in hand, weighing just 151 grams, which strikes a nice balance between lightweight portability and wind-handling stability. It's clearly made for users who want to learn the ropes without stressing about minor bumps or crashes. On the other hand, the DJI Flip is sleeker and more refined, targeting travelers and content creators. It weighs under 249 grams, which not only makes it easier to carry, but also places it within the sub-250-gram drone category in most regions, allowing you to skip some of the stricter registration rules. Its foldable frame makes it incredibly compact, and even the propeller guards fold in, adding an extra layer of convenience. So if you value safety-first design and rugged durability, the Neo 2 is the better fit, but if portability and elegance matter most, the Flip is the clear winner. Moving on to camera performance. This is where the technical differences between the Neo 2 and Flip really start to matter. The DJI Neo 2 is no slouch, featuring a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second, and even up to 100 frames per second in select modes. That means it delivers sharp, colorful video that's perfect for casual filmmakers and social media creators. DJI also upgraded the Neo 2 stabilization with a dual-axis gimbal, which helps keep shots smooth and steady even during quick movements. But the DJI Flip takes it a step further with a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures more light, better detail, and richer dynamic range. It supports 48 megapixel stills, HDR video, and even 10-bit D-Log-M color, giving professional creators more flexibility for post-production and color grading. That means if you prioritize cinematic image quality, low light detail, and professional control, the Flip absolutely comes out on top. When it comes to flight time, range, and safety features, each drone takes a different approach to what flying should feel like. The DJI Neo 2 is built with safety in mind, offering a flight time of about 19 minutes thanks to its 1,606 mAh battery. It's equipped with forward-facing LiDAR sensors and downward infrared detection, which means it can effectively spot and avoid obstacles in real time. For new pilots or those flying in tight spaces, that makes it incredibly reassuring to use. On the other hand, the DJI Flip focuses on freedom and creative flexibility. It offers a significantly longer 31-minute flight time and supports O4 transmission, giving it a maximum range of up to 13 kilometers. That's perfect for getting wide, cinematic shots from far out. It also includes AI-powered tracking and quick-shot modes like Rocket, Helix, and Droney, adding to its creative potential. But its lighter frame does make it slightly more vulnerable to strong winds. So if you prioritize safety and ease of use for learning, the Neo 2 stands out. But for longer flights and creative range, the Flip takes the crown. As for intelligent features and the overall ecosystem, both drones are smart, but they serve different kinds of users. The DJI Neo 2 focuses on making flying fun and effortless. It includes gesture controls that let you wave to launch it, pose to start recording, or let it track you automatically with 8-direction subject tracking. It feels like a flying selfie camera that just gets what you want. And with 49 gigabytes of internal memory, you can record several clips in 4K without needing an SD card. That's great for spontaneous creators who want to keep things simple. On the other hand, the DJI Flip leans into professional-level flexibility. It uses AI-enhanced tracking, adaptive HDR video, and dynamic lighting adjustments to give creators more visual control. It also connects with DJI's RCN3 and RC2 controllers for more precise flying and works seamlessly with the broader DJI accessory ecosystem. That's perfect for users who already own DJI gear or want a more connected, customizable experience. That means if built-in simplicity is your thing, the Neo 2 delivers, but if you value a pro-level ecosystem, the Flip is the way to go. As for my final verdict, both the DJI Neo 2 and DJI Flip are excellent drones, but they're clearly aimed at very different users. The Neo 2 is the ideal choice if you're just starting out or want a dependable drone that takes care of safety for you. On the other hand, the DJI Flip is for the creative-minded user who's ready to step things up. If you're a traveler, vlogger, or filmmaker looking for portable, creative power, the Flip is a fantastic investment. In short, the Neo 2 is your forgiving co-pilot, while the Flip is your flying cinematography partner. So please don't forget like to this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more tech comparison like these in the future.